Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video where I'm going to tell you what's the main reason of depression. I think that it is the main reason where people used to fall in depression. I think that is the main. So today I think I should talk about this, and the thing is that why people fall in depression. I think the reason is only thing that because of you always think about another person. Okay, you always think about another person, never judge yourself without judging yourself. So this is the main thing, which is the reason for depression, I think. I don't know what's your thinking about this, but I think that it is my thinking. So here I'm going to tell about few things about that, how to how to fall in love with yourself, how to care of yourself. I know that lots of people do this, but many people in world, I think they just you know used to uh, quit this. Okay, so what you have to do, the first thing is that you have to uh, give a time only for you. You can spend about 15 to 20 minutes for you, where you have to write about yourself, that how was my day, how was my tonight, how was my day, like this. Okay, if you will write about these things, then you will find that um, yeah, that I'm very much confidently I do this work in a very confident way. So this is what you have to do, and think about yourself about 15 to 20 minutes. It will just relax your mind, and you will get the benefit of work, and you will just do your own work with doing this. Because I also used to do this. Okay, whenever I have no time to do this, then I skip. But when my mood is very much swelling, then I just only do this, that how's my day, what's my confidence level is that, because it will just enhance the confidence level of yourself. You will find that my confidence level is very much high in the level. Okay, okay. So sorry for the Hindi words, because sometimes it comes. And the another thing which I want to say, that that lots of people used to bullying you. Okay, I see that in our society, that lots of people used to bullying me, used to teasing me like this, and this is very problematic scene for me. This was a very problematic scenario for me. So what I do, I just neglect them, because I think that giving them reaction, it's a work of nonsense. Yeah, we have problems, but what we can do, we have to face this works, face these things. So because we are living in a society, we are a human being. Okay, so that's we have to also occur in ourselves. But please just I want to say that please just remove this all nonsense works from your mind, because it will not even give you a positive sign. It will give you a negative sign to your mind, sign to your brain. So it can harm you. Okay, so you just neglect themselves and do your own work. And the third thing, which it is the last thing which I want to suggest, that if you are a girl, and you can do something like, I know that lots of girls used to do this thing, that they do something art, because when I was in depression, then because I have also faced these things, and that is why I followed these things. And then I was when I was in depression, then I think that I just used to do these things, that I used to do something art, and something which are likely to be my things. Okay, which I love to do. It was not a I want to say that it was not a high depression. It was a little depression, which were created by the school scenery where I was in. So it was not a big, but it I know that depression can harm us. Okay, so that was okay, I'm sorry. That why I just want to suggest that you have to do these things, and think about yourself. Never used to give them reaction who are bullying you, who are dissing you. And the third thing, and which is the last thing, that do your own work. Okay, Never think that you are unconfident one. Never think that you are something like bad, worse, because the society will always, not the society, even the nature will also shows you that you are something, because it wants to hurt you, and it will give you a very beautiful thing, because we know that how a gold is formed. Okay. uh, so thank you for watching this channel, and yeah.